Go.
No, do you remember? Okay, what's this one?
Lamborghini.
Yep. What's this one?
Porsche. No, not Porsche. It's Aston Martin.
Yeah, that's right, Aston Martin. What's this one?
A Ferrari.
Yep. What's this one?
A Ferrari.
Yep. What's this one?
A Corvette.
Yeah, Corvette. What's this one?
A Ferrari.
Yep. What's this one?
A Porsche.
A Porsche?
Yeah.
Yep. What's this one?
A Ferrari.
Yep. What's this one?
Nissan.
It's a Nissan?
I think it's Nissan.
Yeah, it is.
I just hope.
What's this one?
A Lamborghini.
Oh, okay. What's this one?
A Ferrari.
Yep.
A Ferrari.
Yeah, okay. What's this one?
A Chevy Impala.
Chevy Impala. What's this one?
And a Chevy Impala.
No, it's a Chrysler.
The Chrysler.
Do you remember what it's called?
A Chrysler Sebring.
Oh, no, the Sebring, that's the car I drove Uncle Jim in.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a Chrysler Plymouth
Yeah.
Cuda.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good job.
Good job.